Assalamualaikum and very good evening. We are from Group 1, Section 1A. are going to present our case study, which is Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website. Our group consists of 5 members, which is me, Fatin Afifa, as project manager, Aidit Koyum as a system analyst, Aini Christina as a system designer, Anis Najla as a programmer, and last but not least, Ainul Mardia as a tester. The objective of MBSA Portal Service website is to enhance accessibility and efficiency in municipal service, enable users, especially Shah Alam residents, to easy access to essential services and news and information, also enable users to do online payment services. For the overall main page of the system, it clearly shows all the functions. Users are able to access latest information, as you can see at the header of the website, info services that MBSA provided such as iBayaran, iCompound, online newspaper, My MBSA, and more. Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website provides users with a variety of payment options such as MasterCard and Visa credit cards, as well as various types of online banking platforms for users to settle their taxes or compounds, aligning with the Council's commitment to adapt to the digital era. As for the non-functional requirement, the MBSA system shall support the availability of online service 99.9% of the time, excluding scheduled maintenance, so that users can make online payments without any failure.
For the functional requirement, I personally let user apply for the funeral management service provided by Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam. Users can apply for full funeral management, including transportation for the deceased. The application can be done via Ikebumi. Ikebumi allows users to apply for the service according to the deceased information. The type of the non-function requirement, I choose organization requirement. Users of the Ikebumi system should authenticate themselves using their head authority identity card.
Hello everyone, my name is Aini Christina binti Muhammad Aidil, which as a system designer in this project. My functional requirement is my tempahan, where it offers registered users the chance to make a booking facility for their requirements. Users should make a new booking to have approval from the Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam (MBSA) to use the booking facility. Users can proceed to use the booking facility when it had been approved. The non-functional requirement found on the MBSA website is the accounting requirement. The applied book facility must have the total rent to use the facilities. So the website should display the total rent specifically without any mistake in the calculation. This is because it would cause some trouble for users to pay more than they are supposed to. For example, the total rent increases when the user ticks the penghawa dingin box.
Hi everyone, my name is Anis Najla binti Azlan. One of the functional requirements of the MBSA website is SISPA, which stands for Sistem Pengurusan Aduan Awam. This website provides a section where users can express their dissatisfaction or grievance about a product, service, process, or any other part of Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam. This section serves as a communication tool between the complainant and Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam. They could find area for improvement in their product and service through this formal complaint process. For non-functional requirement of this section is a usability requirement. They are constrained on file size. The maximum file size that a user can submit in this complaint section is only 10 megabytes. Large file output may result in longer processing time, such as delay, and the system may look unresponsive.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Mardia binti Muhammad Arshad. My ID number is CB23091. So today I would like to present about the functional and non-functional requirement. Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam enhance user experience with its user-friendly add to cart function. Users can easily choose their selected product in My Shop and then add them to the cart before proceeding to the payment. The add to cart function allows users to review their selected product before making the final decision to purchase. The non-functional requirement for the add to cart function in Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website is the performance requirement. The add to cart function should respond to user action within 2 seconds. This is important to maintain a smooth and highly responsive user experience. It ensures that user can efficiently use the add to cart function which contribute to a positive user-friendly online shopping experience.
As the project manager, I found that staff turnover might highly affect the project development. Although its tendency is moderate, however, it might have a high effect due to the inability to find employees with the necessary abilities, knowledge of code bases, and most important thing, experience. New staff might take time in order to understand the ongoing project. As a result, this may cause the team members to miss deadlines, have unclear goals, and disrupt timelines for project and workflows. The first strategy to overcoming staff turnover is by providing detailed documentation. As a project manager, I should record detailed documentation about the progress of the project, such as ongoing tasks and what the project needs to achieve, as it facilitates the onboarding process for new team members and will help recruits understand the project's history, current tasks, and goals of the project. Second strategy is hire temporary support. Consider bringing temporary support such as freelancers with the required skills to allow the project manager to fill in the gap without considering the long-term commitment of permanent staff.
For the risk type, I choose requirement risk. Requirement change that require major design rework. System analysts play a big role in responding to change requests, such as addition, improvement, or modification that stakeholders suggest, all found during the testing stage. System analysts need to identify and estimate the value of improvement if those requests on the existing system may also impact the financial and project budget, as it can lead to an increment in maintenance costs. For the first strategy, I use derive traceability. This is the way to ensure the requirements are accounted for and they are linked to the solution component. For the second strategy, I choose full analysis of the change made. This can help ease the change made by a team of both programmer and system designer to make the system better with the change requirement. System analysts can provide a general platform for all stakeholders to brainstorm or simply propose new feature or system technology they prefer to be added to improve the MBSA system.
The possible risk for me as a system designer is tool risk, which is lack of training or familiarity. The tendency is moderate and the effect of this risk is tolerable. Lack of training or familiarity with tools can lead to delays in project development. Insufficient knowledge of the tool's capabilities may limit the team's ability to leverage its full potential. As a system designer, I should be able to expertise with debugging tools, static analysis tools, and tools for testing by simulation application. Furthermore, I need to regularly update and maintain the system, addressing any errors or security flaws in the MBSA website. Strategies to deal with this risk is foster skill development and training. I need to ensure I have adequate skills and training to effectively use the tools as a system designer. Lack of expertise can lead to errors, inefficiencies, and ineffective utilization of the tool's capabilities. Next, invest in training programs, workshops, and certification to enhance my knowledge and proficiency with the tools. Thus, I need to encourage continuous skills development to stay updated with emerging trends and best practices. Second, regularly assess tool performance and user feedback. As a system designer, I should continuously monitor and assess the performance of the tools that are being used on the MBSA website. Keep tracking user feedback, reported issues, and customer reviews to identify potential risks or areas of improvement to satisfy user requirements. For instance, the effectiveness of the MBSA website should be analyzed by users, and I will design the system with the required structure that is friendly with the users. In conclusion, as a system designer, I need to ensure that the users complement the website so that it can effectively help the users achieve their goals.
Next is technology risk, integration issues with third-party API. Third-party API are API provided by third-party, generally companies such as Facebook, Twitter, or Google, that allow you to access their functionality via JavaScript and use it on your site. The risk that might happen in such a third-party service such as bank system is the occurrence of downtime or service interruption in the third-party payment service. For instance, the external payment gateway used for business license payment and compound settlement experience temporary disruption. As a result, there is lead to a payment processing issues such as error and failure and also delays in transaction. Strategy 1 is implementing robust error handling mechanism within the code base. Error handling is the process of controlling unforeseen occurrence that may interfere with an application normal operation. The application can continue to run without crashing or failing suddenly. For example, when something goes wrong, error message will pop up and state transaction cannot be for a certain period due to the third-party system being down. Without robust error handling, software can become unstable, prone to crashes, and frustrating for users. Strategy 2 is deploying real-time monitoring tools. This tool is to track the status of the third-party payment service. It is to notify the development team in the event of any instances of downtime or service disruption. This allows programmers to promptly analyze and fix any disruption that occur.
Next, for the possible risk are technology risk, which is the database used in the system cannot process as many transactions per second as expected. A database is used by the Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website to manage user transaction, such as updating and retrieving data about permits and city service. If the database is not capable of efficiently processing the expected volume of transaction, it can lead to performance issues such as slow response time, timeouts, or system failure. This risk may be increased during high traffic time. For example, user may experience a slow response time when user accessing the Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website during peak hour. As a tester, I must provide website that can handle a high volume of transaction per second to provide a smooth and responsive user experience. For this strategy, I must make sure that database can manage the expectation transaction load by conducting detailed performance testing on the Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website. Furthermore, by reviewing the database design, query performance and indexing strategies together with the development team, Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website can process transaction more efficiently, resulting in faster response time and improved user experience.
By maintaining team stability, the project manager ensures minimal turnover-related costs during the maintenance phase. When the development team experiences stability with lower turnover rates, the project manager benefits from cost reductions associated with recruiting, onboarding, and training new team members. For instance, when the development team working on the MBSA web-based system experiences low turnover, the project manager can avoid the need for frequent recruitment and onboarding processes. This reduction in turnover-related costs contributes to overall maintenance cost saving.
As a system analyst for the MBSA website system, contractual responsibility is an important factor in the maintenance cost. It is important to design system with the future in mind by ensuring that the developers are responsible for maintaining the MBSA website system. System analysts can easily make more change to the system without affecting the entire MBSA website system. Therefore, documenting the system design and architecture can help developers better understand how the MBSA system works and make change easier. This can help to reduce maintenance costs and improve the quality of the system.
The program age and structure are one factor that strongly links to the system designer. A user-friendly website is one of the top priorities for most organizations. As a system designer, it is my responsibility to make sure that the design and interface of our system are appropriate, acceptable, and easy for users. A user-friendly website can boost user engagement and make it easy for users to look for information using any device. Furthermore, it is crucial for the system designer to always have an update to the website interface with the newest technologies to ensure users that our system is willing to grow with the world. website development services can have a lot of benefits from new technologies such as augmented reality (AR), machine learning, and artificial intelligence (AI), as it will enhance the website in a long time. Lastly, by performing the maintenance, the website program will always meet the security and privacy requirements of the organizations. In the current digital era, it is essential to have an updated privacy policy on the website to make sure that it complies with industry standards and legal regulations.
One factor that influences the maintenance cost is the program age and structure. The Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website incorporate user-friendly features such as online payment for car parking, building rental, compound fees, and tax payment. Consequently, the website undergo regular update and modification to introduce new services and enhance existing ones. As the website ages, there are a risk of its structure deteriorating, making it more challenging to comprehend and adjust. If the initial does not account for future modification and adaptability, the code base may become complex and prone to issues. This complexity requires programmers to dedicate more time to understanding and managing the code. Besides, the older the system, the higher the cost for programmers to maintain the system. Over time, the security standard of the system has become less secure and outdated. The process of developing new updates also involves costs associated with fixing error and bugs.
For the maintenance cost factor, I choose the staff skill factor. The skill of the tester are critical to the efficiency and effectiveness of testing activities during the maintenance phase of Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website. These skills are crucial when maintaining MBSA website that may undergo frequent updates and changes. For example, MBSA website is adding new features and services like online payment processing. The testing team skills are essential in understanding new features that have been added and executing tests to make sure the proper functioning of the new features and existing functionalities. Skill tester can identify potential risks associated with changes and prioritize testing efforts accordingly. This helps in allocating resources efficiently and focusing on critical areas that can affect the user experience or overall functionality of the website. Furthermore, skill tester can quickly adapt to changes in the requirement, code base, or architecture, allowing for quickly testing of new features or modification. The ability to adapt efficiently can minimize the time of the software that might be in a transitional state and shorten release cycles, which can lower the maintenance costs related to prolonged update procedure. In conclusion, the factor of staff skill is crucial for tester role in maintaining the Majlis Bandaraya Shah Alam website. So that's all from us. Thank you.